Hey Ali,
Yeah, what's up?
what's the most amount of money you've won for a case without injuries?
Ooh, the most amount of money for a case without injuries? That's a good question. We have a lot of cases where we have punitive damages for property damage alone. So I've had situations where a client parked his car on the side of the road, or you just got your car parked in the driveway and a drunk driver comes and slams into it. Well, in those situations in Georgia and in any state that allows for punitive damages, you can sue the insurance company for the total amount of the insurance policy, even if there are no injuries. It's a property damage claim and not a bodily injury claim. So I've had a ton of $50,000 settlements for just car accidents where no one was even in the car. They just destroyed the vehicle. I've had a bunch of $25,000 settlements, but one of the ones that sticks out in my mind for some reason, it was back in 2018, I put out a video about punitive damages. And I remember because I was wearing my headset, I had like a green shirt or a green tie on, and I was like, stop what you're doing right now and watch this video. In the state of Georgia, there's something called punitive damages, where you can punish the at-fault driver for committing the egregious behavior. The fact that they are drinking and driving alone is enough to get so much more money on your accident case. So as soon as I put out that video, one of my friends hit me up and he was like, hey man, I got a punitive damages case for you. I'm like, how the hell do you know what punitive damages are? But he was watching one of my videos and his car was parked on the side of the road. It ran out of gas. It was a 1997 Saab, like S-A-A-B. Like, I don't even know if they make those cars anymore. It sounds like sad, but it's a Saab. And it's a sob story. It's not a sob story. This is actually a good story. So he's walking to the gas station to get gas, to fill up gas in his car. And when he gets back, someone had slammed into it and the whole car was worth $1,700, okay? Like this guy, he really loved this 1997 sob story of a car. And he was like, man, the whole car's worth $1,700, but I can't replace it for $1,700. Like I had already installed a radio and like I had, tuned it up and all this stuff. Like it was Old Faithful, it was a reliable car. So he said a drunk driver hit me. So I made a claim against the insurance company and we ended up getting him $15,000 on that claim. And I know it's not the most amount of money, right? But it was enough to get him a brand new car, to kind of get him back on track with his life, get him a reliable vehicle, and invest a little bit of money into his side business that he was working on. And now he's got a really successful company. I don't know if it was all because of that $15,000 settlement, but that was one story that resonated with me a lot. And the moral of the story is, if you're hit by a drunk driver, your case is usually worth more. Make sure you contact a lawyer, preferably the CEO lawyer, the lawyer that other lawyers go to learn from.